Oh, oh, skip.
Why kill
Stop.
this?
No, don't pull too much, come. Okay,
That.
stop here. Oh, this is again too much.
Yeah, just pull as much as you want. See how much time we have here. Wow, Blizzard, what are you doing? Can you please fix this, please? Doesn't even not playing clothes like zombie bears, right?
Come, let's go carnivore.
No, just keep
Yes.
going. Pretend that there's no lag. Just kill this. Blow this up. Fuck all these skeletons. Don't even have area damage on our gear or paragons. My timer is going from 4 to 6 seconds, from 3 to 5, from 2 to 4. Wow.
Yeah, let's leave. It's annoying.
Where is the palm?
Where is the palm, he says? Reset, come. Yeah, I streamed this, so I have broadcasts.
Confirmed that it doesn't work. Helthooth in groups. Even with no area
So
damage.
yeah, have fun those who play Helthooth this season.